If you do an entire wash day just for your roots to turn out flat, have no fear. I have the perfect step-by-step routine to help your curls start and curl from the roots. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Barbie. I'm a curl coach, educator, and fellow curly girl obsessed person. I've curl coached more than 20,000 heads of curly hair, and that is a true number. And I've done it through one-on-one sessions, curl coaching, and videos just like this. And also my curly hair subscription service called Curls Monthly. That means truly I've seen every curl type, every curl struggle, and every single product mistake that you could ever imagine. So in today's video, I'm breaking down exactly how to make flat roots not flat and how to get your curls to actually start curling from your root. And if you're ready for personalized help, Curls Monthly is perfect for you. It lets you try 5 curl products every month, and you even get connected with your own personal curly hair coach who you can message anytime to ask literal any question about your hair. I'll drop the link below if you want to join my curl community. Now let's get into it. So first of all, let's talk about why your curls are not curling at the root, because you're probably making some mistakes that you don't even realize that you're making. Number one, they could not be curling at the root because you're just not shampooing well enough. If your scalp isn't fully cleansed, oil, product buildup, all the things can certainly weigh your hair down and make your roots flat. That is number one for a reason. Number two, which is also just as important as number one, is that you're not clarifying your hair with a clarifying shampoo. Buildup over time prevents curls from curling at your roots. So clarifying at least once a month is absolutely essential to give your curls a clean slate. So you should be shampooing well, and you should also be clarifying at least once a month. 3, you might be applying conditioner, leave-in conditioner, or heavy masks directly to your root. Heavy products on your roots will certainly weigh your hair down. That's just how gravity works. And they'll weigh it down before they even have a chance to form. Number 4, you might not be fully rinsing out your conditioner. So many people don't realize, and I didn't realize for so long, how long it actually takes to get conditioner out of your hair. So especially if you have fine hair strands or just a soft hair finish, you really want to make sure that conditioner is truly rinsed out of your hair. And if somebody has really soft or very fine hair, it's actually sometimes better to just skip a conditioner and just opt for a leave-in conditioner and just not use conditioner at all. But again, you want to make sure that you're applying it just to your mids and your ends and it's not touching your roots. Number 6, a lot of people will scrunch and just go to here and they won't go all the way up to your roots. Curl formation needs to lift from the very base, not just the mids and the lengths. So you want to make sure that it goes all the way to the top. Number 7, once your hair is styled, you might not be breaking apart the larger curl clumps that forms from like brush styling or whatever you're doing. Big clumps are just heavier, so they can prevent individual strands from like actually just being how they want to be, which will weigh them down. Number 8, you might be air drying instead of diffusing. Air drying is just letting gravity do the work, especially if you have gels and mousses in your hair that literally make your hair stay in place the way that it's dried. You're actually drying your hair more flat than it is because you're air drying. You have to diffuse. Like diffusing will give you that lift at your roots. And you don't even have to diffuse the whole time. Even if you diffuse for 10 minutes, you'll get a much bigger lift to your root. Number 9, if you are diffusing, you might be hover diffusing and not cup diffusing. You wanna make sure that if you want that nice lift to your roots, you are cup diffusing your hair, specifically your roots, and flipping ups and down, back and right. If you're just like parted in the middle and just hovering it there, you're just basically exaggerating the air drying. You're just letting gravity weigh your hair down. And number 10, last but not least, your hair just might be damaged. Broken or weak hair can't curl properly. It's not going to do what you want it to do. Also want to add that not every single curl pattern starts at your roots. So this video is going to be great to help enhance, even if your curl pattern does not start at your roots naturally, but there are some curl patterns that just straight up don't start until like their eye level or like their lip level. So note that it could also just be your curl pattern. So how to get your curls to start curling from the roots. Number 1, shampoo twice, lather, rinse, repeat. On today's video, I am shouting out the Fable and Mane Holly Roots Hydrating Shampoo. I love Fable and Mane. You know, I love their products. The shampoo is great because it gives healthy but not heavy hydration. It cleanses without stripping your hair of its moisture, so great to shampoo twice with. And it really helps manage a dry and flaky scalp as well. It's for all hair types, but specifically great for like thicker, coarser hair. Safe for color treated hair. And it contains tiger herb, but it basically delivers essential ingredients to support keratin formation. We hear that keratin word a lot. Basically, it's your strands are made up of keratin, and that will strengthen your strands. Strong, healthy keratin from the root will enhance your curl definition and will help your curls to hold. And of course, curl at the roots better. I love this shampoo because it also contains coconut oil, which contains vitamins and essential fatty acids that add shine and smoothness to the curls. The reason I'm recommending it here for getting your curls to curl at the roots is because many shampoos, while shampooing is necessary, can overstrip your hair, leaving the scalp dry and brittle. That certainly can flatten your roots because your hair will then lack elasticity and moisture. So the shampoo is going to very gently remove that buildup while keeping those natural oils that are essential to curly hair, which encourages your roots to just curl naturally. Second thing is you're only going to apply your conditioner to the mids and the ends. Now remember that I said if you have super fine or super soft hair, you can actually skip conditioner and just use leave-in conditioner on your mids and your ends. Number 3, use a lightweight leave-in conditioner. Number 4, make sure that you're lifting at the roots when you're doing your brush styling or styling techniques. Number 5, use a lightweight mousse as your styler. You can get some in the roots to really help enhance your roots as long as it's lightweight and as long as it's a mousse and not a gel. Number 6, scrunch upside down. Number 7, micro plop with a microfiber towel. Number 8, I love this tip, bubble your roots when you diffuse. And number 9, scrunch the crunch instead of clapping the crunch. And there you have it. Those are the best tips for getting your curls to start curling at the root. And if you're looking for a great everyday shampoo to add to your rotation, highly recommend the Fable Mane Holly Roots Hydrating Shampoo, which you can actually grab in your next Curls Monthly mailer, of course, while supplies last. And if you want personalized coaching and new curl products delivered to your door every month, definitely check out Curls Monthly. I'll drop the link below. Thank you so much for watching, curl friends. Drop your curl questions in the comments and I'll make sure to answer them. See you next time.